What are garlic scapes and how do you use them? Come with me, I'll show you, easy peasy. So this is our garlic patch, and the garlic looks healthy and strong. We're into the second week of July right now, but you'll see these are garlic scapes. This long tendril with a little seed pack at the end of it, and they curl. Now we have to remove these, and I'm going to remove them right where they start at the stem. They come all the way up and then they curl. And I'm going to remove these at the base because those little garlic scapes are going to take away from the energy to give you great big bulbs of garlic. So that's what we're going to do today. So I am just going to cut these little scapes off. And that is it. Now I usually use my pruners, but I've got scissors today. And you're going to keep these little scapes because they are awesome to put in your cooking. Use it just like you would use garlic. I don't use this little end here. That's where all, whoops, where is it? This little end here, that's where all the seeds are. I don't use that. But the rest of it, I use it for cooking. So keep it. If you've got too many, just chop them up, put them in ice cube trays, fill it with water, put them in the freezer. Anytime you use garlic this winter, you can use these garlic scapes. They're full of nutrients. So you see, by snipping these garlic scapes off, you're putting much more energy into the bulb of the garlic that you're going to harvest in the fall. And you can take these, use them in your cooking. There we go. We got a whole pail of the little fellas. Yummy. So, you know, those little garlic scapes in your garden, you have to keep on top of them because they grow fast. And when they're there, you have to snip them off, like I said, because you don't want the nutrients to be going to the garlic scape instead of your garlic bulbs. But there is so many uses for them. They are wonderful in cooking. You can use them for anywhere that you use garlic, you can use garlic scapes. And again, the freezing, because sometimes, you know, I go and get garlic scapes out of the garden. There are so many. There's no way that you can use them. So sometimes I'll preserve them, but a lot of times if I'm in a hurry, I'm just going to chop them up, pop them into the freezer, and that's the way that I don't have to worry about it. They're there. I know they're taken care of until I can use them. So garlic scapes, the nutrients are wonderful. Get them right away because you don't want them to take that nutrients away from your garlic. Get them right away and get them done with, and then it's one thing off your to-do list. And you have a great day.